y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this new wig that I just bought. And y'all, this wig is fire, okay? This wig is by Sensational, the brand Sensationnel, however you pronounce it, I'm not sure. But this is the Bare Lace Unit 4. My first impression of the unit as I took it out of the box was, wow, like this unit really is pretty. I remember seeing so many videos and reviews about it before I decided to go ahead and give it a try, and I was like, I gotta have this wig. So here are some of the details. It is the 13x6 parting space, unit 4, in the color Secret Highlight Chestnut. Now, I love the way that they literally secretly hid the color, the chestnut color on this wig. It's like a peekaboo color in the back, or not even the back, but like on the sides. It's hard to explain, but you'll see when I install the wig. I just really loved how soft and silky this wig was, and just how smooth, and like I could just run my fingers through it. Even the lace, like y'all look at this lace. When they say it's a bare lace wig, I mean they mean that. It is a bare lace wig, so thin it looks like the skin, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm going ahead and getting my tinting spray, and I'm just gonna spray it along the inside of the lace just to give it a little more natural look, like my natural scalp. And this will also help blend in with the bald cap that I'm gonna do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Gatsby glue, because I gats to say it like that. And what this is gonna do is just kind of seal in that tint spray that I just sprayed onto the cap of the wig, or to the lace of the wig, and blow dry, and it's gonna just kind of help seal that up as well. Now it is time to put Miss Mama's on, honey. Yes, go ahead and secure that wig, girl. She did come with a clip in the back and 2 inside clips on like the front or the side. Don't mind my door opening. My son was coming in and out while I was doing my hair. Anyway, so yes, she does come with clips on the inside, which I prefer and love because I like a good secure wig, honey. I don't want my wig going nowhere, even if I do glue it down or, you know, tape it down or whatever have you. I need extra security. Now I'm about to show y'all how I go ahead and melt this lace down on my head. I'm gonna speed it up. The process is gonna go a little fast, but if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will answer you and get back to you. Y'all, I was so proud of how I laid my baby hairs. They was laid for the gods. Look at them things. Yes, honey, yes. So right here, I'm just taking my fan and kind of making sure that everything is dried and laid and melted. That way it looks as natural as possible, because ain't nothing worse than your lace looking like lace, okay? Especially when people are up close to you and they just staring at your hair. You keep seeing their eyes moving from your lips to your head, from your lips to your head. Ain't nobody got time for that. So we're gonna melt her as good as possible, like some melted butter, honey. Now that she is fried, dyed, and laid to the side, I'm gonna go ahead and comb her out, shape her up, get her looking the way I want to. And yes, she is laid, y'all. Like, you can't tell me this hair ain't grew from my scalp. No, you cannot. No, you can't. And look at that peekaboo color back there. That's what I was trying to tell y'all, is how it literally is just like peekaboo. I can barely see you in the back unless I do something like a little nice little flip or something like that, you know. Look at this bang piece, y'all. Not the bang. This bang is banging. This hair is cute. Look at this part. Like, I don't think I've ever had a synthetic wig which the part looked this natural. And it's a 13 by 6, 13 by 5, something like that. So you have so much parting freedom, so much parting space. You can wear a half up, half down, middle part, side part, deep side part, whatever you are feeling. The only thing I would say about this hair is that it had a lot of volume, which is not a bad thing, but too much volume at the roots, kind of like you can see I'm trying to push it down, it can look a little unnatural. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to kind of press it down. And the only thing I didn't like when I did that is it lost a little bit too much volume, so I kind of had to work around with it. But y'all see what I'm talking about. Let me show you real quick. Baby, this wig is slaying. Look at this. I'm in love. See, look at how you can just play around with it. I could have did a little quick ponytail up here if I wanted to. I did catch a couple naps at the end, I will say that, but it wasn't nothing too major, nothing too out of control that I couldn't tame real quick with my wide tooth comb. So what I'm going to do with my part now is take a little bit of my concealer. I love this Il Makiage concealer, the best, hands down. Haven't found nothing better than it yet. But I'm going to take my concealer and just kind of go over the part really carefully, trying not to get it on the strands of hair as much as possible, just to kind of give that part a more realistic look. I mean, somebody cue Beyonce Feeling Myself, because girl, look at this hair. Look at me in this hair. I was really feeling myself in this wig, y'all. Yes, so that's pretty much y'all gonna see for the rest of the video. It's just the flow of this hair, how I loved it. Look at that part. Look at that baby hair layage. Look at the peekaboo color. Like, I'm not a huge fan of full color wigs, so when you got just a little bit of color just to show a little bit of edge, that is right up my alley. So I was really feeling this wig, y'all. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Have you worn this wig before? What did you like? What did you not like? Do you plan on ordering this wig? If so, the link is in my description box below. Y'all, if you're new here and you like this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. Hit that notification bell so that you can continue to get more updates on more videos like this and my other type of videos if you want, okay? So go ahead and do all of that right now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.